Welcome to my channel, enjoy watching.
Oh my, yo!
This is what happens if you smoke near gas line. Look at the man who no one cares about.
Republicans, including Thomas Massey, who went as well, for him to resign for quite obvious reasons. So there's Lauren Boebert, saying this. I think Nancy Mace has come out as well, and Thomas Massey gave a floor speech talking about this as well. So
Unpleasant situation. Don't do like this. The driver forgot how to drive properly. Look how unexpectedly he came out. Unexpected moment again.
Whoa!
He definitely didn't expect this.
Are you fucking kidding me? Jesus! God damn it!
What do you think about this situation? Let us know in the comments.
個肚餓咩？肚餓啊！我嚟去下，去下。點解真係？
The driver was definitely under the influence of alcohol. Who is wrong here? The driver was unable to navigate the roundabout.
Todavía andamos, todavía con la tos, con la garganta que me duele. O sea, no es dolor de garganta, ¿viste? Dale, hermano.
Haciendo, por Dios.
coser. Tengo todo esto lastimado, boludo.
¿Te compraste unos caramelos también?
Sí. Ah, pasemos uno.
Stretch situation.
No plans, no script, yes, only the but it's happening quick, boy. New names, yeah, new tricks, new positions that I put you on and put you in like. I know that what it is with.
Well, I got that on my dash cam.
What if he was just trying to kill us? What if he played chicken with him?
Delivery today.
What's in it? Like, really?
The situation is just like in a horror movie. Even at well-designed intersections, accidents like this happen.
Holy.
He accelerated to 150 km/h, and then it happened. The driver is a very good person. Funny car.
recording will now start.
Jesus Christ, lady.
Here's what Andrew Abbott had to say. This courtesy of the Cincinnati Enquirer.
Like made quick work in the first, and then you had to even throw some extra pitches in the bullpen. How did you feel overall?
Overall, I feel great. Was executing all 5 on his own. They took some good swings.
Just for fun. Like, I don't know, like someone's reporting him. He ran, shot, made it on the other side. No one was even knowing he even cared. Wow. There's also a viral video of some guy like Brennan jump on the track and kill himself.
The driver of the white car got what he deserved.
Holy shit balls. Signal. What?
Thanks for watching. Please leave comments with any additions or comments regarding the situation. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Good luck.